Mike and Brady, good morning. It's a busy place here at the Franchise Tax Board. Hundreds of people are here, and they're opening up old school filing tax returns. So take a look around me. You can see all the busy people that are working here today. And I'm here now with the State Controller, Malia Cohen. And Malia, this is the old school way of doing things, but it's still done this way.
Oh, yeah. There's still people that file old school paper. We actually encourage people to file electronically. And as a matter of fact, 89% of Californians actually file electronically through the e-file.
What is the benefit of filing through e-file?
You know, the benefit of the e-file is actually to the taxpayer themselves. It speeds up the receipt of your refund. It also eliminates any human error from keying in data, and it also protects your personal information. So your credit card information, your account, passwords, everything is maintained in a secure location.
And what do people need to know about this year's tax credits to make sure they get them if they qualify?
Tax credits. We have lots of tax credit programs, several of them, for people that earned $31,900, just under $32,000 last year. You qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit. The Earned Income Tax Credit is for lower income folks. It would put a couple hundred or even a couple $1,000s back into your pocket. So you have to file in order to find out if you qualify. You can also do a search for just information on the FTV website. And there are several different tax credits available. That's just one. There's another one if you're in foster care or you're a foster youth and you're filing. We've got a tax credit for you as well.
And a lot of people having a meltdown at home saying, I'm just not going to get it done today. For those people, what's the advice?
I would say, don't worry, breathe. We have a plan for that. We have planned for people to be last-minute filers, and that's okay. You have actually all the way up until midnight tonight to file. I do want to encourage filers to file to pay their balance as much as possible. So you can ask for an extension, which is automatic for Californians. You get a 6-month extension to file the paperwork, but you must pay taxes if you owe taxes today.
If your taxes are more complicated, would you ask people to seek the advice of a tax professional?
Yes, if people have complex taxes or complex filings, they can seek the tax professional advice, absolutely, and they can always call the Franchise Tax Board. There's a huge, very helpful chat feature on the website that is immediate and will get you an answer expeditiously, and then you can always call. We've got people ready and waiting on the 800 number in the call center to help people.
Terrific. Malia Cohen, thank you so much for your time this morning. We appreciate it. Again, you heard her. Take a deep breath. It's going to be okay. You do have some extra time. You can file an extension. If you need to do that for your federal taxes, you're going to have to go to the IRS's website to fill out that form. In California, though, it is automatic. Reporting live here in Sacramento County, Leticia Ordaz, KCRA 3 News.
So, Leticia, I don't know if Malia Cohen is still right there with you, but I want to say her last interview, she mentioned that maybe she also was a procrastinator and filed her taxes late. We would just want to get some clarification on that to let folks know that it truly, truly is okay.
It truly is okay. They were asking that in the last hour. You mentioned that you too are a procrastinator, and
yes.
You too, have you filed your taxes
Yes,
yet?
we have filed. My husband and I did absolutely filed. And earlier this morning, I paid off a little tax debt.
It can happen to all of us.
All of us. I use myself as an example. Not only are we a last-minute filer, but also I received scam calls and text messages. So no one is inoculated from this.
Absolutely. You're front and center of it all.
Yeah.
Being aware of those scams firsthand. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Brandy and Mike, back to you.
All right, Leticia, thanks so much for that. We appreciate it.